Spent $12,000 to buy a Taiwan Land Rover. In the end, is it a dream come true or the beginning of a nightmare? Everyone said that this is a Land Rover Discovery. This is buying a father. See how I put this 10,000? It turned into 200,000. The old war begins.
Brother who usually drives.
The brothers all know that the reason for dismantling this is to take the next step, the beams and the frame of the carriage. If the beam falls, the outside will look at the foundation, but the inside will not be the foundation. Oil leakage, life and rescue, and success. The manual technique begins immediately. Look at the war and start it.
Spray, kill, the front, and dash.
First of all, the spraying and coating should be fully applied to the feeder to prevent a large number of deaths. Finally, it is sprayed with 3M diamond binder. Please don't hesitate to like, forward, and reward to support Speedrel and Diandian columns. The other chassis was not the same, and the black sand was rescued by defense. Not a single screw can be pressed. After the stars are completed, the assembly begins. "3D scanning. Customize new card lines. Next is the docking of the space station. All screws, original,
Factory float.
Traveler, finally. The gun is used to prevent rust on the inside of the girder. The tour box is renovated before and after.
Contrast.
Please continue to deal with the smell of oil leakage from this big powerhouse. Look at the footprints. Of the last maintenance master. At the beginning of the body replacement spray, it is necessary to choose the German inlet water-based application to achieve the brightest effect. The division is completed, and the effect is reborn before the tail polishing. How many points can you score for such an effect? The old man, who has been in the car for more than 20 years, must be determined to make up his mind that the oil will smell bad, and he must be miserable, and he will redo the sound insulation certification of the whole car. Love makes the frame and the whole vehicle the upgrade of the whole car has a French wave impact. The renovation is completed. In the second case, what I bought was not only an old Land Rover, but also a competition with myself. It may not be the most reliable car, but it is a comrade in arms that I saved with my own hands, and it has witnessed me from collapse to disobedience. Every moment from abandonment to gritted teeth and perseverance. Now it can finally start anew, and in the eyes of others, it is a waste body. But in my heart is a treasure, because the true value will always be hidden in those things, in the hands of abandoned people. The next sentence is that this machine has been sleeping for many years. 3,000 elevators. We will usher in its true rebirth.